Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Wave Wallet. So Wave Wallet is a Telegram airdrop that has been going on for a very long time, of course. So the mining process is a little bit confusing for a lot of persons. So in this video I'm going to break it down, and they have actually announced their TG to be in February of 2025. Of course, I know this video came a little bit late, so in this video I'm going to be breaking down. Even if you're a new user and you want to join this airdrop today, being January, of course I'm going to show you ways in which you can boost your earning to at least get something out of the TG. So I'm going to be showing you some tricks here and there, of course. So let me just get started. Firstly, their TG is in February of 2025, but before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. And of course, you can also join our WhatsApp community where I drop all updates concerning airdrops and everything included. So firstly, this is called the Ocean game. Ocean game basically is this Ocean game. You come to claim, and you claim with SUI, of course. When you register, it's going to start at a very low amount. You are going to be earning 1 Ocean per hour. This is the Ocean token. Of course, I boosted with a couple of SU, about 4 SU. Before SU got to $5, back then SU was just about $2 each. So I boosted a lot, and of course I boosted mine to be claiming 24 hours, and that's just it here. But this is not our main concern since you did not start early. So let's just go. Or of course, if you are watching this video, you have already gone far. It's either you have gone far or you have not joined. But for those of you who have not really joined or don't understand this project, of course, just join and fund your. Once you create an account with this thing, they will give you a wallet. This is basically a wallet, so it's just like they are developing a wallet. It's just a dip-in, so they are developing a wallet. So you see this right here. This is where you copy your SUI wallet address. This thing gives you your SUI wallet address, and you now deposit your SUI. As you can see, this is the wallet address. You deposit SUI, a little bit of SUI, as you can see, just about $0.5, which of course is what I'm using to claim. But even if you don't want to deposit, this video is still for you. You don't really have to be spending money on this project. Once you join with the link in the description, of course, just go to events. Once you go to events, there is one event that is currently ongoing. A lot of these events has already ended. You click on join now. This is February 2025. You click on join now. But before that, let me just tell you something. You have Ocean. This other mining here gives you Ocean, and you convert the Ocean to Wavepoint. Wavepoint is the actual token of this airdrop right here. That's the actual airdrop. That's the token that they're going to give you when they list. That's what they are going to use to convert or whatever they want to do with it. That's it. So let's go back to the events. Once you go to the events, you click on join now. So you click on the mystery boss, join mystery boss. As you can see, I've already checked in. But what you have to do if you are starting from day one is basically to click on this place. Once you click on it, they will tell you to share news or check news on Telegram, just like it's showing here. Then you click on it. Once you click, you go to their Telegram channel. Don't forget to even join their Telegram channel, please don't. So you react, and then you come back, and then they give you the wave points. Just do this for straight 7 days. They are listing next month, guys. You still have time, still have more than 3 weeks to work on this. So just do this for straight 3 days. Once you do it for straight 7 days, sorry, you are going to be getting about 1,000 wave points. 1,000 wave points, which a lot of persons don't even know this. A lot of persons that have actually been mining the project since last year May don't even know this. So I actually joined in May of last year. So as you can see, I joined this project. You can mint the NFT, of course, if you have the funds. One SUI is about $5 or so. So you can mint the NFT. As you can see, I joined in May of last year. So That's basically what I've learned from this. Yeah, so another step in which, another task in which you can complete to earn a lot of SU is strong community. So as you can see, you follow, sorry, let me go back, I don't know what's happening. So firstly, you join their WhatsApp announcement community, and then there's something like check, just like the way this one is under this place. Once you check, they will give you 100 waypoints. Do the same thing with these other tags. Join their Discord, subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow them on X, and check all these tags. From all these alone, you will make about 500 waypoints, which a lot of persons are not actually making. And of course, a lot of persons don't even know about this airdrop. So if you refer just 3 persons, just 3 friends, and you check, you are going to get 1000 waypoints. 1000 waypoints plus the other 1000 waypoints that you're making from this other mystery box tax would give you a total of 1500 waypoints, because you are basically getting 1500 from this entire space. So that's the trick that I just showed you on how to boost your allocation, even without spending a dime on the airdrop, even without spending a dime, guys. So that's the best way to just do it, and that's how I was able to get from 8000 to 11000. So basically that's just it. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm going to be showing different tricks, and of course don't forget to join our WhatsApp community, where I'll be teaching you guys different things on how to scale through the crypto space, and of course a lot of things. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.